here we've been asked to evaluate some logarithmic functions without using a calculator. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is remember that we're looking for the exponent to put on the base to give us the result that's the argument. So in other words, when you're thinking about this, this needs to be thought of as 3 to what power would give me 9. Well, I know 3 to the second would give me 9, and so my result here is 2. You can always check yourself by doing the little circle. 3 to the second power gives me 9, and so I know that that is correct. Okay, next one over, we have 8 raised to what power would give me 2. This is a situation where my argument is actually smaller than my base. So actually what I need to think of is what root of 8 would give me 2. In other words, to get from a larger base to a smaller argument, I must be taking a root. Well, it can't be the square root because square root of 8 is a decimal number. In this case, we can see that it would actually be a cube root because cube root of 8 is 2. And then an equivalent way to write a cube root, there's an understood power of 1 on the 8, and so this is actually 8 to the 1/3 power. So on here, we're looking always for the power, and so this power would be 1/3. Okay, to check yourself, you could think 8 raised to the 1/3 is 2. Since it's hard to think about what is 8 to the 1/3, we can think of it as what is the third root of 8? It's 2. So I know that this is correct. Okay, next problem down, we have log with an understood base of 10, since no base is written, and then it's 10 to the 8/5. I will go ahead and write my base. It's actually nice to have it written, so when you have the ones that are understood, go ahead and write it in. And then this particular problem matches a special case, and that is where the base of your log matches the base of your argument. If that's ever the case, the answer is always just the exponent on your argument. So in this case, it would just be 8/5. Okay, we can check ourselves. We can see that 10 to the 8/5 equals 8/5. And so that one is correct. Next one over, we have natural log of e to the 3rd. Well, natural log has understood base of e. We see that we have a base matching base of argument, and so the answer here would just be the exponent on the argument, which is 3. And basically what we're saying here is e to what power would give me e to the 3rd? Well, it would have to be a 3rd power.